In this video, I'll show you how to trade on the Bitget mobile app step by step. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Tap Assets and make sure you have funds in your spot account. If your money is in funding or another wallet, tap Transfer and move it into spot. Next, tap Trade on the bottom menu, then choose Spot. Search for the coin you want to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT, and tap the pair to open the chart and order screen. Now choose your order type. Your use market to buy or sell instantly at the current price, or limit to set your own price. Enter the amount you want to trade, then review the details. Before you confirm, double-check whether you're placing a buy or sell order. Then tap Buy or Sell to place the trade. To track it, go to Orders to see open orders, or Assets to see your updated balance once it fills. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.